everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching 4-star property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, areas and nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. If we talk about the this the property accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the property is secure and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Facilities and offers are available online for this property, along with various meal plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, check the description. If you are facing any kind of problem with this property, you can visit us by Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.